AB, how's it going out there?
Well, me and Mr. Inspector like peas and carrots.
I got a tow. You think you can handle it?
You know I got you.
At the parking lot in 12 in Collins, I got an Audi A5.
I'm on it, 10-4, baby girl.
You see those people crossing the street there, right? Jeez.
The light is green, sir.
Well, yeah, but when you hit them, what are you going to do? Your defense going to be as a green light?
Anything else, sir?
Let's just get to the tow safely so I can survive another day.
Drive safe. Don't hit the pedestrian. Man, fool looked like he ate a pedestrian before he got in my truck. We here, sir.
Hey, how you doing?
What's good, man?
It's that silver Audi convertible. Your driver didn't pay and it's been sitting there for like an hour. Just get rid of it.
All right, let me back on in there. And that's all you do, Mr. Inspector. Just slide on in there, you're hook and hook. All right, man, I'm finna get my tools right quick.
All right, but an FYI, if you remove any personal possessions from that vehicle, that's an automatic fail for
You
treatment.
calling me a thief?
I'm just giving you a heads up.
Man. There we go. Ow!
What are you doing?
Oh, here we go.
Hey, that's our car, right?
What in the world?
Here's the situation. Y'all parked here without paying a parking attendant, so I'm going to tow your car. So it's going to be $115 to drop it now or $250 when I get back to you.
There's no way we're paying $115. We've only been here for like an hour. So see, check this out. It's her bachelorette party, right? And she get married in 3 days.
Hoe acts like Bernice ain't never seen a hoe before. All right, then. If you're not going to pay, I got to take your car.
No.
Listen, ladies, I'm asking y'all nicely. Please move from in front of the vehicle, man. Please.
You need to get down here. They're trying to tow the car. Listen to her, you raggedy ass bitch. Put my car down. You have a real bitch.
No,
Let me tell you something, hoe. Call me a bitch again.
Please, no, you can't do that. You can't do
What I
that.
do, man?
You called that woman a hoe. Based on everything I've seen today, I don't know how I could give Tremont a passing grade.
Now, what you got to say?
I gotta finish this report. Would you just please get in the truck and wait? You've done enough already. Get in the truck and wait. I'll take care of these ladies.
Oh, my God. Shut your raggedy weed head ass up, bitch. Man, all that work? And Tremont going to be closed over this mess?
AB,
Man, Christy, we got a problem.
Let me guess. You got into a fight.
This man talking about he gonna fail the whole company, man.
and I don't know
What to do?
I don't know what to do either. I mean, if he fails us, we don't have a towing license. You need to figure something out.
This is some bud.
Ladies, I'm just trying to do my report.
Who the hell is this?
Hey, what the you?
I'm Dave
You shaking
Cosgrove.
my hand?
I'm the compliance officer with the MCA.
Who?
Dave Cosgrove.
Let me see. Man, I need you to drop this car right now. My lady's got places to be.
They fake ass pimp over there.
Handle this the best way, but I'm not
Can I say something?
authorized.
No! Hey, yo, man, you never make Jay Down get crazy in this motherfucker, man. You understand me? Hey, yo, I told you to drop this car right now, man.
Bernice.
What's wrong with you?
Could you just drop the car?
I need you to drop the car right now.
Bernice,
Listen,
drop
man,
the car.
I'm not dropping. I need my $115 here or $250 when I get to Tremont.
What? I ain't giving you. Man, you drop this car right now, yo.
Well, your wretched assholes need to get walking to their next day.
You gonna drop the car right now? You understand me?
Bernice, drop the truck.
You gonna drop that car right now? I'm gonna give you a 5.
Bernice,